Next problem, formation of PDE by eliminating arbitrary function z equal to f of x plus ct plus g of x minus ct. Here this equation z is a function of x and t, not y. Here instead of y, t is there. That means here z is a function of x comma t. By data, z is equal to f of x plus ct, g of x minus ct. Therefore, I already told every problem we first find p, q. If possible to eliminate f, can do it. If not possible, you go for using after p, q, r, s, t. Then you construct PDE, that is the process. Therefore, dou z by dou x is mean what? Partial derivative of z with respect to x, f dash of x plus ct with respect to x is 1 plus g dash of x minus ct with respect to x is 1, and dou z by dou y, not y, instead of y, t, f dash of x plus ct with respect to t into c, g dash of x minus into x minus ct into minus c. It is very difficult to construct PDE by eliminating arbitrary function by using these two. That is why we go for finding dou square z by dou x square, means we differentiating dou z by dou x, you will get dou square z by dou x square. That is derivative of f dash is f double dash x plus ct with respect to x is 1, g dash is g double dash x minus ct into 1. We call equation 1. We call equation 2. Next, you go for finding dou square z by dou t square. Mean we differentiating again with respect to t, f double dash of x plus ct with respect to t is c into c square plus g double dash of x minus ct into with respect to t minus c into minus c minus into minus plus, that is c square. You write one more step from this, or dou square z by dou t square. Here you can take c square common, f double dash of x plus ct plus g double dash of x minus ct. You call equation number 3. You try to eliminate f double dash by using 2 and 3. You observe equation 2 and 3. See, the left hand side is f double dash of plus g double dash of, here is also there. Shall we use equation 2 in 3? Using equation 2 in 3 is the option to eliminate f g, that is dou square z by dou t square is equal to c square into this term is equal to dou square z by dou x square. So see, this is the required partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary function like f and g. See, in this unit we can construct z is equal to f of x plus ct plus g of x minus ct by considering this equation. We have the method in this unit. The name of the unit is Lagrange's method to find the solution of partial differential equation. So this is the solution for this partial differential equation. Later we are going to discussing that. Next problem. You write the question like formation of PD by eliminating arbitrary function. Z is equal to y f of x plus x phi of y. Important problem. Solution. By data, z is equal to y into f of x plus x into phi of y. You call equation number 1. Differentiate partially with respect to x. Every problem, that is dou z by dou x equal to, denoted by p. With respect to x means y into f dash of x into 1 plus 1 into phi of y. All are clear about partial differential with respect to x. You call equation number 2, and dou z by dou y denoted by q is equal to, with respect to y, f of x into phi dash of y into 1. You call equation number 3. It's very difficult to eliminating f dash, phi dash and phi by considering only these two equations. So that is why after finding PQ, you go for finding the P after PQ or ST, like that, and dou square z by dou x square is denoted by R. Means we differentiate this equation with respect to x again, that is y into f double dash of x plus 0, other variable is 0, constant is 0. You call equation number 4, and dou square z by dou x dou y is standard notation is denoted by s. That means what? We differentiating this equation with respect to y is f dash of x, y is 1 plus phi dash of y. You call equation number 5. Next, after finding PQ or S, the last standard notation is T, is denoted by dou square z by dou y square is T. That means we differentiating again with respect to y, that is x phi double dash of y. So we have equation 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Using these equations to eliminating eliminating f and phi, like that, you rewrite the given equations for convenient eliminating the arbitrary functions. Now from equation number 2, shall I write or shall I extract f dash of x from this equation? Because extraction of f dash of x, here we have f dash of x. From equation 3 we extract phi dash of y, because here phi dash of y is there. After extracting f dash of x from 2, phi dash of y from 3, you can substitute to here to get the required, I think. That is why. That is p minus phi of y divided by y is f dash of x, from equation 2 f dash of x like this, and from equation 3 q minus f of x divided by x is equal to phi dash of y. So we have f dash of x and phi dash of y. Therefore, using this, in equation number 5 is the unique option to eliminating arbitrary function. If you have any another method to eliminating arbitrary function, you can do it, but I can say this is the unique option to eliminating arbitrary function. That is S is equal to p minus phi of y divided by y, q minus f of x by x, or S, you simplifying this for convenient, x phi of y plus qy minus y f of x divided by xy, or S xy is equal to px plus qy minus of, from these two terms, x phi of y plus y f of x. Why I am writing like this? Because in your question this is the x phi of y plus y f of x is equal to z. This is z, that is why. Therefore sxy is equal to px plus qy minus z is the required PD by eliminating arbitrary function. So up to this stage we form the partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary constants like a and b, c, etc. And we also discussed the formation of PD by eliminating arbitrary functions like f of y of f of g of, like that, phi of, like that. So now we are going to form partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary function, like the given function is in the form of phi of u comma v equal to 0. Important type. So now we are going to form the partial differential equation by eliminating phi of, like that, the given equation like this. That is why here we use one method to eliminating phi of, that is by using chain rule. You are familiar about chain rule, is there in partial differentiation in first semester. So note, to form the PD from phi of u comma v equal to 0, where u and v are functions of x, y, z, where z being a function of both x and y. We proceed as follows. By data, phi of u comma v equal to 0, you call equation number 1. Here also we differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to x and y, that is by applying chain rule we obtain, partial derivative of phi of u comma v with respect to x means dou phi by dou x, dou phi by dou u into dou u by dou x. Is it right? Chain rule. By using chain rule, partial derivative of phi of u comma v equal to 0 with respect to x is dou phi by dou u into dou u by dou x. With respect to here v is there, that is dou phi by dou v into dou v by dou x equal to 0, you call equation number 2. And so with respect to y means dou phi by dou u by dou y, dou phi by dou v by dou y, chain rule, you call equation number 3. Using 2 and 3, transferring the second term in both 2 and 3 on the RHS and dividing, we obtain the required partial differential equation, that is dou u by dou x divided by dou u by dou y, dou v by dou x divided by dou v by dou y. You just remember this formula to eliminating the functions like phi of u comma v equal to 0 to form PD. You just remember this formula every problem, that is dou u by dou x divided by dou u by dou y is equal to dou v by dou x divided by dou v by dou y. Problems. Formation of PDE by eliminating arbitrary function phi of x plus y plus z, x square plus y square minus z square equal to 0. See the equation like this, phi of, here the given is in the form of phi of u comma v equal to 0. So the equation like this we use chain rule. Remember this, right? Where u is x plus y plus z, v is x square plus y square minus z square. Now u and v is given, you first find dou u by dou x. We want this dou u by dou x is there in chain rule. Dou u by dou x, u is x plus y plus z, with respect to x is 1 plus 0 plus dou z by dou x, right? Next dou v by dou y or dou v by dou x first. with respect to x square is there, x square is 2x plus 0 minus 2z dou z by dou x, or dou u by dou x is 1 plus p, dou v by dou x is equal to 2 common x minus z into p, and dou u by dou y with respect to y is 0 1 dou z by dou y. Next, dou v by dou y is 0 2y 2z dou z by dou y, or dou u by dou y equal to 1 plus q, dou v by dou y is equal to into q. We have chain rule, dou u by dou x divided by dou u by dou y, dou v by dou x, dou v by dou y. Substitute dou u by dou x is there, 1 plus p divided by dou u by dou y is 1 plus q. Next, dou v by dou x is x minus zp divided by y minus zq. 2 cancel. See, always the given PD is in single line answer, that is why we simplifying this. X minus zp 1 plus q y minus zq x minus zq here p is there, xq. You write one more step. For this, y minus zq plus py minus x minus xq equal to 0. This cancel. You pairing the terms like this, py minus xq plus z of zq cancel. You will get zq. I think this step is wrong. Here y plus py, you just simplify, zpq minus qx Zp Zpq equal to 0, Pz Qx x minus y, y plus z, x plus z, x minus y is the required PDE. You just simplifying this, the answer is always like this. That is why. Next problem. You construct the question like this: formation of PD by eliminating arbitrary function. Phi of xy plus z square, comma x plus y plus z equal to 0. Given is in the form of phi of u comma v equal to 0, where u is xy plus z square, v is x plus y plus z. Therefore, dou u by dou x with respect to x is y, dou z by dou x. Next, dou v by dou x, 1 plus 0 plus dou z by dou x, or y plus 2z p, dou v by dou x, 1 plus p, and we want dou u by dou y with respect to y, x plus 2z dou z by dou x dou y, dou v by dou y is 0 plus 1 plus q. Therefore, by using chain rule, dou u by dou x divided by dou u by dou y, dou v by dou x divided by dou v by dou y. That is, here you write one more step for this, or dou u by dou y x plus 2zq dou v by dou y 1 plus q. That is, dou u by dou x is divided by dou u by dou y is x plus 2zq 1 plus p divided by 1 plus q. Like previous problem, is simplifying. PQ. To Z PQ equal to 0. These two cancel, pairing the terms from these two, 2z common p minus q, from these two p common y minus x plus y minus x equal to 0 is the required partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary function. Next problem. Formation of PD by eliminating arbitrary function x plus y plus z x square plus y square plus z square plus z square here we eliminate f. See, from this particular problem we can't use a chain rule because the given equation is not in the form of phi of u comma v equal to 0. That is why we already discussed like this. Every problem we first find p, q, if possible to eliminate, otherwise you use after p, q, r, st to do like this. So this problem for homework we already discussed like this problem. Next, formation of PD by eliminating arbitrary function phi of x plus y plus z x square plus you consider another problem, f of x square plus y square z minus xy equal to 0. See, this equation is in the form of like this. Instead of phi, f is there, f of or phi of u comma v equal to 0. Given is in the form of f of u comma v equal to 0, where u is x square y square plus y square, v is z minus xy. Next we find dou u by dou x is 2x, dou v by dou x, that is dou z by dou x minus y, or p minus y, and dou u by dou y 2y, dou v by dou y minus x, or u minus x. By chain rule, dou v by dou x divided by dou v by dou y that is get this. You write one more step, 2 to cancel, x square minus y square is the required partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary function.